Hello guys, welcome to Tech Chips. Today I am going to start with a new series, C programming. Most of the YouTube channels provide the C programming beginner tutorials, whereas I am going to provide you some of the intermediate videos. And the source code of these videos can be found anywhere on the internet. The reason why I am doing this is I tried my level best to explain them to you guys. And this series is going to have around 15 to 20 videos, so try to be stick with the videos. And okay, let's get started. For C programming, I am going to use NetBeans as my IDE, and I have provided the download link for the NetBeans for Java and this Cygwin. So this Cygwin is the plugins for NetBeans. The you can download all these three things from the below description download link. Okay, now let's install the Java. Click next. So install Java using normal methods, so just set everything to default settings. Once we install Java, we have to create environment variables for Java directory, and we have to install NetBeans, and then copy this Cygwin to C directory and make environment variables for this Cygwin also. So let's do this. Open. Extract to C directory or C volume. Click OK. Now Java is installed. Now actually this the NetBeans and the Java I have provided the download link is suitable only for 64-bit, because I am using 64-bit machine. If you are using 32-bit machine, then you have to download it by yourself. That download link is not suitable for 32-bit. Okay, now I am using 64-bit. So open up program files, go to Java folder, open this bin and copy this directory. Open my computer, go to properties, and then click on advanced system settings, click environment variables. Here go to path, this one, click edit. Now here there is a semicolon, so no need to create put a semicolon, so paste the path, click OK. So now the file is extracted to C volume. Let's quit. So now install NetBeans. Go to C directory and open up this folder Cygwin. Go to this bin. As like Java, we have to create environment variables for this Cygwin also. Only then NetBeans can recognize this folder. paste the directory. Before that, make a semicolon, click OK. Okay, close everything. Once it is done, I'll be back. Alright guys, now the NetBeans is installed successfully. Uncheck, click finish. Now one thing I want to remember you this, Cygwin. Um, this this is a compressed folder. This consists around 1 gigs of files. This is an offline plugins. So NetBeans require plugins for C++ programs. So so I recommend you to download this one and just extract to C directory, or else you have to go with a bunch of stuffs. If you wish, you can go over that. And so here comes our fresh NetBeans. Now go to file, new project, click C application, click next. Now name your application. I'm going to name it as hello. And here you need to select which platform you are going to work with. Now we are going to work with C, so click C, click finish. So here this source files directory holds our main file, so double click this main.c and take out the comments if you wish. You can either hit F6 on your keyboard or click on this. Yeah, here, hello world. So this is our first sample program. One more thing, if you don't like this hello world to be here in this internal terminal, you can switch it to the external terminal. Go to the properties of your project, click run, and over here you will just change it to external terminal. Click OK. Now try to run. Yeah, here you can see the output is displayed in the external terminal. So this is if you wish you could work with here. You can set them to default internal terminal, or else you can switch to this. If you are using code blocks or anything else, by default it will be an external terminal. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in next video.